Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mathematics with Miss Jen. In my previous videos, we learned about polynomials. What are polynomials and how to determine if the expression is polynomials. In my other video, we learned how to add polynomials. For this video, we will learn how to subtract polynomials. Let's try to answer the first example. What must be added to 1 minus 2x plus 3x squared to obtain 3 plus 5x minus 7x squared? It is very important that you know how to determine which one is the minuend and which one is the subtrahend. In this problem, our minuend is 3 plus 5x minus 7x squared. So step 1, arrange and combine like terms. So we will arrange first as our first set of polynomials as our minuend 3 plus 5x minus 7x squared. So since negative 7x squared is the highest exponent, so this term will be the first in the set. So negative 7x squared, then plus 5x, then plus 3. Don't forget to copy the sign before the coefficient because it is part of the term. And as our subtrahend, we have 1 and negative 2x plus 3x squared. Since 3x squared like terms of 7x squared, so we will put this 3x squared underneath. So we have positive 3x squared. And then negative 2x and plus 1. And then we will subtract. As you see, they are all I already combined like terms. So we have 7x squared, 3x squared, 5x, 2x, and 3 and 1. Don't forget to apply distributive property to add or subtract. Here, since our answer, our 3x squared here is positive, so we will multiply to subtraction or negative sign. So positive times negative, then it will be negative here. Remember, negative and positive, subtract and copy the sign of the biggest number. And if it is negative, positive sign. So this time, our positive x squared will be negative because positive times negative is negative. So as you notice here, they have same sign or like sign. So we will add and copy the sign. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So negative 10x squared. The variables in the exponent is not affected at all. Next, negative 2 times negative is positive. So our negative 2x becomes positive 2x. Like sign, add and copy the sign. So we have 5 plus 2 is 7x. So our answer is positive 7x. And the last one, positive times negative, and it will be negative. So our positive 1 becomes negative 1. So 3 minus 1. So we have positive 2 because the unlike sign, subtract and copy the sign of the biggest number. Since positive 3 is bigger than negative 1, so our answer here is positive 2. So this is our final answer. We have negative 10x squared plus 7x plus 2. Let's go to our second example. We have 2x minus 3y minus 4z from x minus 5y minus 7z. So our minuend here is x minus 5y minus 7z. So since this we don't have exponent here. We just arrange according to in order. So like x, y, z. So next, our second set of polynomials to be subtracted is 2x minus 3y minus 4z. So then we will subtract. Let's apply distributive property to subtract. So here, positive times negative, and it is negative. So we have x, positive x, and negative 2x. Unlike sign, subtract and copy the sign of the biggest number. So since x here is understood having a coefficient of 1. So 2 minus 1 is negative x because our negative 2 is bigger than 1. Next, negative 5y minus negative 3y. So negative times negative, and it will be positive. So we have negative 5y plus 3y. Unlike sign, subtract and copy the sign of the biggest number. So we have negative 5 as our biggest number, and our answer here is 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have negative 2y. Just copy the variables and the exponent if there is exponent. So here's negative 7z minus negative 4z, negative times negative, and it will be positive. So negative 7z plus 4z. So since our negative 7 is bigger than positive 4, so our answer is negative 3z as 7 minus 4. So just copy the variables. So this will be our final answer. Let's go to another example. In these examples, I will answer the first one and I will give you the second and the third one to answer. Please comment in the comment section below your answer. Here we have x squared plus 2 minus 5x cubed minus 1. So here, first step, arrange and combine like terms before you subtract. So here we will arrange according to exponent. So we have 5x cubed as our highest exponent. Second, we have x squared. So x squared. Then we have 2, and then we have 1. So here, 5x cubed, since this is positive and we will multiply to negative, so it will be negative. And here, our x squared here is positive. So positive 5x cubed plus x squared plus 2, and then our negative 1 here will become positive because negative times negative is positive. So here, then we will combine like terms if there is. So negative 5x cubed, since there's no other like term, so we will bring negative 5x cubed down. And also, our x squared, there is no other like term, so we will bring it down. And for our positive 2 and positive 1, so we will add. Like terms, add and copy the sign. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have positive 3. So this will be our final answer. Negative 5x cubed plus x squared plus 3. For the second and third example, please comment your answer below. Thank you and watch out for my next video, how to multiply polynomials. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, please subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell to get updated on my latest video. My name is Jen, and I love math.